Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the best condition of your health. So dear viewers, warmly welcome to my channel where we celebrate the timeless beauty and the versatility of the oval face shapes with a curated collection of the flattering haircut ideas. So dear viewers, today's video becoming very stylish and very trendy and becoming the very amazing with the hairstyle designs. If you have an oval face, dear viewers, you are in luck. This versatile face shape allows for a wide range of the haircut styles that can enhance your natural features and highlight your unique charm. So dear viewers, join me as I explore the variety of the haircuts by my video and by my channel Life with Style. These designs and haircuts are from chic bobs to the elegant, layered, tailored specifically to the complement the graceful contour of oval face. So dear friends, join me as we celebrate the timeless appeal of the oval face shapes and unveil a world of possibilities with my expertly curated haircut ideas designed to enhance your features and showcasing your individual grace and allure by my videos, which is full of very trendy ideas of the haircut designs. So dear friends, in this video, we delve into the world of haircuts tailored for all face, offering a comprehensive guide to help you discover the perfect hairstyles that accentuates your facial structures and highlights your inherent beauty. So dear viewers, in this video you can get very amazing and collecting the most complementary cuts and styles, providing you with a wealthy of the inspiration and tips for your next salon visit. So dear viewers, explore a lot of the classic pop cuts that frame the face and draw the attention to your unique features. Learn how to play with the different lengths, textures, and the layering techniques to achieve a dynamic and sophisticated look by my channel and my videos. So, dear viewers, I also delve into the elegance of the side-swept bangs, demonstrating how this versatile addition can complement your facial proportions that and added a touch of youthful charm to your overall appearance and boost up your confidence.